Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Windows 11 in your Android using Limbo PC Emulator. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run the latest Windows 11 in your Android using Limbo PC Emulator. So the Windows 11 is the latest version of the Windows from the Microsoft, and everyone wants to use it. And in this video I'm going to show how you can run Windows 11 in your Android. So this is gonna be first time on my YouTube channel, and everyone wants to run Windows 11 in their Android. So I'm going to show how you can do that. So first of all, you have to download and install the Limbo PC Emulator application. An application version is 5.1.0. The download link in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Windows 11 VSD file. The downloading in the description. So as you can see, and one thing I'm going to tell you, this is the file is in the 5.2 GB. Make sure you have lot of storage in your Android phone. So this will going to use lot of storage of your Android phone. So this is in the 5 GB. So, and one thing I'm going to tell you, it will only going to work in high-end device. Like I have 6 GB RAM in my Android phone, so it will going to work very slow in my Android phone. If you have a high-end smartphone like 8 GB RAM or more than 8 GB and multi-core processor, it will going to work very quick and fast. In my Android phone it's working, but it's loading, it's taking time to load anything. So I'm going to show you. So for just showing, I'm going to making this video. That's how you can run Windows 11 in your Android. In my upcoming video I tried to show how you can run fully working Windows 11. There are a lot of OS files in my storage. I'm going to show on my channel, and there are a lot of upcoming videos on my channel that I'm going to show how you can access internet and how you can access internal storage in Limbo PC with any Windows version like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11 also. There are a lot of upcoming videos on Windows 11 also, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. So let me just show you. So first of all, you have to download both the things I've already told you. Install the Limbo PC Emulator. So this is the Limbo PC Emulator, and I have already created the machine. So this is the different settings, all the things. So make sure you are following every single setting. If you miss anything, you will this window will not going to work. I have created already machine. I have checked this also my with the low end device. It's working but very slow. I also bring another video with the low end smartphone. So this is the setting I am going to show you. So I have created the machine name with the 11. So this is the user interface you have to do. I have already done all the settings, so let me just show you. CPU, you have to select the architecture 64. Machine type, you have to set it default. CPU model, you have to select the Sandy Bridge. CPU codes will depend on your smartphone specifications. The minimum CPU codes it required is 6. RAM will depend on the smartphone specifications. The minimum RAM it will require 2 GB. And make sure you have enabled this MTTCG and disable the TSC. So make sure you have done all the settings in the CPU and board. And second thing, you have to select the disk. You have to select the Windows 11 file. I've already told you to download. The downloading in the description. And in the graphics, you have to select VMware, as you can see. In high priority, you have to select the high priority. So this all the settings you have to do in the Limbo. If you miss any one thing in the settings, the Windows 11 not going to work. And this Windows 11 only working in high device, minimum 6 GB required. 4 GB RAM in 4 GB RAM phones it will not going to work. If you want to run for Windows 11 4 GB, I'm going to make another video. I have another version of the Windows 11 which can run in low-end devices. If you want video, let me know in the comments, and I'm sure I'm going to upload that video on my YouTube channel. To subscribe to my channel. So I have done all the settings. So let me just turn on the screen rotation for better view and better understanding. So I've turned on the screen rotation. So let me just set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, I have done all the settings. So just now I've turned on the screen rotation of my Android phone and turned the phone to get the better view and better understanding. So I've done all the settings, as you can see. Make sure you have done all the same setting I have done. If you change setting, it will going to not work. So I have done. So let me just click to play button. So after clicking play button, it will showing booting from hard disk. Here it will going to take some time. In booting it will going to take some time to boot. So as you can see in the screen, the Windows 11 booting logo over here, it will showing the Windows 11 logo in my Android phone. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11 logo and this is the Limbo PC emulator. I'm going to hide the status bar of this and as you can see, it will loading over here. Here it will going to take some time. So let's see how much time it will going to take. In high-end smartphone, it will going to take very less time. So as you can see on the screen, after taking about 2 to 3 minutes, it will showing the admin welcome screen. It means the Windows 11 has been successfully booted and it will showing the welcome booting screen. Here again it will going to take some time, about 1 to 2 minutes. So I am going to fast forward this video. You have to wait here. So as you can see in the screen, the finally Windows 11 has been successfully booted in Android. It's been only taken about 2 to 3 minutes after the welcome screen. So as you can see, let me just show you. And sorry for this display lines appearing on the screen because of this the display Super AMOLED display. That's why it will sorry for this. And a lot of people comment on my videos, why don't you screen record and upload video? I want everything will be clear on my channel. I'm making this video only for educational purpose. I didn't show any fake things on my channel. Everyone knows everything will be clear, and I've recorded all the things on my Android phone with my another Android phone camera. So as you can see, this is the Limbo PC emulator showing over here. This is the status bar of the Limbo PC emulator. So this is the not fake, it's fully working Windows 11. I want everything clear on my channel, maintain transparency on my channel, so that's why I've recorded with my another Android phone camera. So sorry for that, some lines appearing on the screen, that's why, because of the Super AMOLED. And as you can see, this is the fully working Windows 11, and the time and the date, it's fully synced with my Android phone. This Windows is synced with my Android phone. It will sync perfectly the time and the date. As you can see, it's little bit slow in my Android phone, but we can run very quick and fast in your Android phone if you have high-end smartphone. So while using the volume buttons, you can use as a mouse. So I have just now have pressed the volume down button, and then it will appear the more options of the screen. So let me just click to refresh. So as you can see, so this is the fully working Windows 11. As you can see, now I'm going to open the properties of the PC to show you. So as you can see, it's working, it's opening very quick, but it can work very quick and fast in your Android phone. uh, Maybe upcoming video try to show with my another phone. So I have 6 GB RAM in my Android phone, but it's still working very slow because this is the very heavy version of the Windows, the latest version of the Windows 11, and it will be in the 5 GB and 6 GB approx. I have not selected the network card and the sound card because again it will going to crash or do some problem something because of my Android phone. But in my upcoming video I try to show how you can access internal storage, how you can access internet in this Windows 11. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11. Just now I've opened the properties of the PC. So as you can see, it will opening here, and a lot of people commenting on my videos. I'm showing Windows 10 with the Windows XP with the Windows 10 theme. Not like that. Some of the Windows are modded, and some of the are the fully Windows 10 and some of the Windows 11. So this is the fully Windows 11. It's not XP with modded with the Windows 11 theme. If it is XP, it will only in the 500 MB or 1 GB. This is the 6 GB approx, and there are a lot of OS in my storage. I'm going to make video on that, so it will taking some time to load anything. So as you can see, just now I've opened the properties of the PC, and let me just show you. So it will saying about I've selected the Sandy Bridge processor. So it will in the 1.00 gigahertz to processor. I've selected the 2 GB RAM. So it will showing all the details. 64-bit operating system. I've selected the 60-bit processor in the Limbo settings. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11 Pro, as you can see in the screen, and it will also showing the date. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11 Pro version DEV installed on 6/21/2021 OS build. So as you can see, this is the fully Windows 11 Pro version. It's it's little bit laggy and taking some time to open software, so I am not going to open any software and not going to show much about this Windows 11. So this is the basic thing I have shown, how you can run Windows 11 in your Android. And just now I've shown the properties of the PC. So this is the start button of the it's have some preloaded software. So let me just show you all the apps with the preloaded of this Windows 11. So it's have a Microsoft Edge settings file explorer. I've already shown you the properties of the PC. So this is the Windows 11 Pro. So as you can see, there are some preloaded software. File explorer, get started, Microsoft Edge, on screen keyboard settings. So there are some little bit preloaded software, not much, but some of the softwares are all the preloaded of the Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the Windows 11 Pro work perfectly running and working in Android. So now I'm going to open this PC, the file manager of this PC. It taking some time to open anything, so that's why I'm not showing in many other. I'm not going to open any software. It's taking a time, very long time to open anything. So basically this is the not the fastest Windows, but upcoming video I try to show the fastest Windows 11. I'm going to work on it. If you want, let me know in the comments. If you want the fastest Windows 11, let me know in the comments. I try to work on it and make a video for you. So as you can see, this is the this PC file manager of this Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the fully so as you can see, so it will showing system C drive. So this is it's have 15 GB of the C drive and 12 GB in used. So it will have some folders about desktop download folder. So as you can see, this is the file manager of this Windows 11, perfectly work and open here. It will take some time to open. I'm going to end this video. In my upcoming video, I try to show more things like how you can access internet, how you can access internal storage, the another version of the Windows 11, the another version, the light version of the Windows 11, the Windows 10, Windows 8. So as you can see, I'm going to end this video here, and I've shown the basic working things of this Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.